Did you open your fridge today and think, there's absolutely nothing to cook? Well, think again. I still remember standing in front of my fridge one night, exhausted, hungry, and convinced I had nothing to eat. And then I saw it. 3 spoonfuls of cold rice, a half-forgotten carrot, and 1 lonely boiled egg. That night, something unexpected happened. I made a meal so good, I wrote it down immediately. And that's exactly where today's story begins. Welcome to Fun Food Stories from the Fridge, where leftovers become legends. In this episode, we're turning bits and pieces from your fridge into a full, vibrant meal that'll have you whispering, "That never looked so good." We've got a golden, crispy rice crust veggie pie that crunches on the outside and melts inside. On the side, a creamy yogurt herb slaw that's crisp, cool, and gorgeously green. You'll munch on honey chili egg bites for that bold, sticky sweet kick, and wash it all down with a refreshing, fizzy zesty lime ginger cooler that tastes like a spa day in a glass. And if that sounds like your kind of kitchen magic, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with that one friend who always says, there's nothing in the fridge. Let's bring this fun food story to life. First, that leftover rice, even if it's clumpy and dry, perfect. We're making a pie crust. In a bowl, combine 2 cups of cooked rice, 1 beaten egg, a 1/4 cup shredded cheese, cheddar or mozzarella both work, a pinch of salt, black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Mix into a sticky, cheesy mass. Press it firmly into a greased pie pan, or a muffin tin if you want personal pies. Now here's a tip. Brush the crust with a bit of oil or melted butter before baking. It crisps up like magic. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes until it's golden and slightly firm. While that's working, check your fridge. Got half a zucchini, a wrinkled tomato, some frozen peas, that leftover bit of bell pepper. We're using all of it. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon oil, sauté 2 garlic cloves, and toss in the veggies with a sprinkle of chili flakes and mixed herbs. Stir in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, or even leftover pasta sauce, plus a splash of water. Let it simmer and thicken. No tomato paste. Use ketchup or salsa. Add a zucchini. Use mushrooms, spinach, or even that half bag of coleslaw mix. Spoon that sizzling veggie mix into your golden rice crust. Top it with more cheese, just enough to bubble, and back into the oven for 10 more minutes. Now imagine this. Buttery, crisp crust, warm herby filling, and gooey cheese melting into every bite. It's rich, comforting, and surprisingly elegant. While that cools, let's whip up our yogurt herb slaw. Thinly slice half a cabbage, red or green, grate 1 carrot, and toss in thin onion slices. For the dressing, whisk together 1/2 cup plain yogurt, juice of 1/2 a lemon, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon mustard, a pinch of salt and pepper, and fresh chopped dill or mint. Pour it over the veggies, mix it all together, and chill it for 10 minutes. Vegan. Swap yogurt for cashew cream or vegan mayo. Want extra crunch? Add toasted seeds or crushed peanuts. Now this slaw. Creamy, tangy, herby. It's the freshness that lifts everything on your plate. Let's talk snack. We're taking 2 plain boiled eggs. Yes, just boiled, and turning them into something snack-worthy and sensational. Peel them, slice them in half, and now here comes the magic. In a small bowl, mix together a teaspoon of chili flakes, a pinch of turmeric, a teaspoon of honey, and just a tiny splash of warm water to loosen it into a glaze. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir until it becomes glossy, golden, and irresistible. Now, spoon the sticky sweet spicy glaze right over the egg halves. It clings, it drips, and it transforms. The egg yolks soak in that warmth while the whites glisten like candy-coated bites. Sprinkle on a touch of sea salt and a few fresh herb leaves if you're feeling fancy. And if you're vegetarian, swap the egg with cubes of tofu or thick slices of halloumi, no pan needed. Just pour, plate, and devour. These bites are soft yet bold, sticky yet clean, and they pack a flavor punch that doesn't even need a stove. You won't believe something this simple can look and taste this good. Feeling thirsty? Let's cool things down with a zesty lime ginger cooler. Grate 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger into a jug. Add the juice of 2 limes, 1 tablespoon honey, and a pinch of salt. Did you know salt enhances the natural sweetness without needing more sugar? Athletes do this for better hydration. Top it off with ice and sparkling water, or iced tea if that's what you've got. Stir it all together, pour into a tall glass, and garnish with lime wheels and mint. It tastes like a breeze of clean air with a ginger kick. Refreshing, energizing, and a perfect way to finish this flavor-packed journey. To plate like a pro, place your pie slice at an angle on the plate, nestle a scoop of slaw beside it, lay your egg bites gently on the side, and finish with a chilled glass of your fizzy ginger lime cooler. Sprinkle chili flakes or herbs on top. It makes the plate pop on camera and in real life. Let's do a quick recap before the finale. Crispy rice veggie pie, creamy yogurt slaw, fiery honey chili egg bites, zesty ginger lime cooler, all from leftovers in your fridge. And there you have it. Simple scraps transformed into a story you'll remember. Your fridge has never looked so good. Bonus tip: the rice crust can be pre-baked and frozen for up to a month. Just wrap it well and bake straight from frozen. Got leftover curry? Swirl it into the veggie filling for next time. It adds richness and bold flavor. Have hummus? Smear it under the slaw on your plate for a creamy surprise. Now tell me in the comments, what is the weirdest leftover combo you've ever created that ended up tasting amazing? Let's inspire each other. If you enjoyed this fun food story, please subscribe, like, share, and ring that bell so you never miss a delicious episode again. Thank you for watching, and remember, your fridge is not empty. It's full of possibilities, full of flavor, and full of stories waiting to be told. See you in the next one.